This is a really nice texture to make these bubble scoops, ice cream scoops. Hello and welcome. I'm Diane, the owner and creator of Vermont Lavender, where I make and sell a lot of different skincare products like body butters, handmade soaps and lotions, and shower steamers. Okay, so I'm going to add some raspberry mica, and this is from Brindleberry. Okay, so now that's all set. Now what I have to do is get my hands in there, get it all nice and blended and incorporated. Now we're going to get into actually putting it together. I have some eco-friendly glitter. What I did here is I just put down a little bit of cornstarch. And then I have these. What I want to do is, I don't know if this will work. I'm just trying some different stuff. And I'm just putting a little bit of cornstarch in there. We'll see if I can get it in there. I want to make some little macaroons. So I don't know if this will work. It's just an experiment, right? It might not even come out. It might be a failed attempt. But if it is failed, if it does fail, I will just, I'll use it in something. You can always dry them and then, let's see what else. You dry them and you just you can sift them and you can make it into a powder. So a bubble bar powder. There's that there. This thing is kind of sticky, so we'll see how that works. So this is my little heat gun here. It is, I don't know the brand. I'll put the link below. And this is 87, which isn't bad. It said 80 to 100. This one's 73. Just for like a few seconds, just put it in the microwave. It's definitely like a cookie dough texture. It's pretty cool. It is a little sticky. So I know you flatten it out like this. Ooh, that's 95. Wow, that's really warm. So I just did the little temperature thing. I know. 86. 90. This is a really good mixture to make. It's nice and soft. Oh yeah, that's perfect. This is a really nice texture to make these bubble scoops, ice cream scoops. The little macaroons right there, and then those are the little ice cream scoops. I have this is my macaroon. Hopefully it's in the camera. Wow, that's really pliable. Look at that. Okay. And I'm going to pop it in the freezer. So we're doing a couple projects here today. It's not just making the bubble bar. We're making all sorts of good stuff. So we'll try this. What? Are you serious? This works? No way. No way. Maybe I did it a little bit too thick. Yes, I did. Huh. Wow, look at that. Okay, well, maybe I could just do it without even the frosting on it. Oh, look at that! Look! Oh my goodness! They're a little too kind of big though. Be nice to chop it. Wow! So hey, that is a doable thing. I bet I could chop it, and I bet I could chop this right here and fill this up again, and I can make another batch. Look at that! Oh yes! So happy! Look at that. Oh wow. Use these, you just break off a little bit, you crumble it in your bath water. It makes a lot of bubbles. So there you go, some raspberry jam bubble cakes. And then I have the bubble scoops and the macaroons. So this was a great project to do. If you really did like it, please give it a thumbs up. It does help to get it out to the algorithm. And the next video to watch is on making, I'll put it on the screen. So the next video to watch is, if you want to level up your DIY or skincare knowledge, I have a weekly newsletter that I'm going to be offering, and I have resources, I have tips, I have ideas and recipes that I don't share anywhere else. So I'll leave a link in the description box below if you're interested. So here are my packaged bubble cake bubble bars, and got the little sparkly right on top. They look really pretty. They came out nice. They're like 2.6 ounces, so that's not too bad. And so I could package it like this and just sell it like that, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to actually add like a little organza bag, and then I have a little, this is glass, but I'm going to fill this up with lavender chamomile, or I could do the mussel soak. That's what I have in there now. And this is a nice little gift bag thing, and I can put my little tag right there. I'm going to put more filling in there. It just makes it a little festive. So it's just an idea for packaging versus just doing something like that. So it's just some ideas to help with the finished product to sell it, and then, you know, make it more pleasing and something that the customer is interested in, because a lot of my products that I'm making are actually new to my customers, so this is really nice.